Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video, we are going to be looking at what is the difference between Promise.all and Promise.allSettled. So right over here, we do have three promises, and if I wrap it up inside Promise.all, it takes an array, promise p2, promise2, and promise3. And let's come over here and write ref console.log ref.catch err console.log err. Then as you can see that it has returned me all the promises because they were resolving in a format of an array. But if any of the promise got rejected, then it will return us the promise which was rejected, right? Alright, as you can see that we are getting rejected. But in case if I come over here, let me copy it and paste it over here, all settled, then it will return us all the promises with the statuses and values, and for those promises that we're rejecting, it will return those promises along with the reason. So this is the difference between the Promise.all and Promise.allSettled. In the Promise.all, if the all promises are resolving, then it will return us the all promises in an array format. But in case if any of the promise got rejected, then it will only return that rejected promise. But when you are using Promise.allSettled, then no matter if the promise got rejected or resolved, it will return you all the promises along with the statuses and values and reason. Have a nice day.